Welcome to the Dublin, Lima, Fuji, London, Oslo and Tokyo stool assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the frame and the shell. You will need the 8 supplied Phillips head screws and an impact drill. Firstly, flip the shell over and place the frame on top, making sure they are lined up and are sitting flush. To complete, use the impact drill to gradually secure the screws through the holes on the frame and into the shell base. This range of stool frames are offered in both a 650 and 750 seat height, as well as in a stainless steel or black finish. The shells come in an array of colours and are available with a back or without a back, dependent on your preference. These stools are ideal in hospitality environments and complement many of our bar tables and frames extremely well.